Hey YouTube, it's the Dsoleil twins or the Lot twins when we doing hair. Y'all, we are obsessed with Ivy's 4-year-old method on the flip over sew-in. So this is the flip over braid pattern foundation, okay? So as you can see, we opted to have the leave out in the front, and then we're gonna do a very small anchor braid going all the way around the head, okay? And wherever you start the part is fine. Ivy started hers more so on the side, so I was just letting her know I wanted mine started on the side as well, but I also wanted a little bit more leave out in the back, even though other people we've seen haven't done the leave out in the back. So y'all, Tay is just showing y'all the density of the anchor braid. Look how thin it is. I love it so much. My hair has grown so lot too. So I'm kind of holding my leave out of the way so that y'all can see and that she can have a clear braid. So this is just her going all the way around to give you all a 360 of what it's looking like. Like we said, that nape area is leave out, and then the anchor braid is going all the way around. Y'all, Tay could literally be a professional braider. Look at how clean this braid is. Like, I didn't feel any pain, any tension. To prep our hair, we use the Mielle products, and oh my gosh, I feel like my hair is so much freaking softer. I am so excited for y'all to see the final product when it comes to this flip over sew-in with curly hair that we're doing, y'all. The next video is going to be that video. So if you want to see what this foundation was prepped for, make sure you watch the next video. Make sure you like this video, comment, make sure you like the next video, and comment and subscribe to the channel because we are busting this content out for y'all. But this is a protective style that we feel like we're really going to enjoy because we really wanted to stop putting heat on our leave out. That's the only reason we didn't do body wave bundles again, because I love body wave hair. But curly hair we haven't done in a very long time, and also, you know, our natural hair is curly. I do have a permed leave out for anybody wondering. So if you see my hair looking a little straight in the front, it is not damaged, it is permed because I had body wave bundles and I wanted my leave out to follow suit. But this is going to be a great way to grow out our curls. And if you already have curly hair and you find it to be a little bit of a strain or a little bit of a muscle grabber to control your natural hair, curly hair with minimal leave out is always going to be your best friend, because all you have to do is put on some to-go products, pretty much wet it, spray it down with some water, and you're going to be good to go, girl. This is the perfect time to have that curly hair because it's fall, coming into Halloween and Christmas, and the holidays are always a good time to just put your hair up and go. Okay, so we saw the anchor braid doing a 360. Now she's going to do everything kind of going to the back. Some of the braids she's going to catch up with each other, kind of like braid one braid into the next braid. Y'all know how that is. But if she doesn't, just know that she sewed it down in the end, and then we're going to put a net over the entire set. So Tay is a super protective fiend. So she added some tropical roots leave-in conditioner to my hair to give it some moisture before she braids it down. That's always a great tip to softening natural hair, especially 4C, 4B black hair. You need to soften the hair before you think you're just gonna braid it, okay? So it's very, very effective, very helpful. As y'all can see, my scalp isn't red. I'm not in pain. I am super, super tender-headed, okay? And I was not in pain at all. So she's detangling my hair with a dimming brush, and then she's gonna go in and then get the braids in. Please do not play with my friend, y'all. Look at my foundation, okay? So you're going to see a finished look in the minute. But let me tell y'all, my hair is about to be freaking slayed. So make sure if you like braid foundation videos like this for quick weaves, for sew-ins, leave outs, no leave out, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And check the next video so y'all can see what this pattern was set up for. And shout out to Ivy for this amazing flip over sew-in technique. All right, y'all, so here is the finished product. I'm going to insert a photo for y'all to go and click over to the next video. This is how my hair came out. I actually turned out and did heatless curls in the front. So if you want to see how we achieve that look, then make sure you click the next video. It should be up after this one, and thank y'all for watching.